Welcome back, everyone. It's Caleb over here at Walsh Buick GMC. I'm just walking around the lot here waiting on these cars to get cleaned, but kind of want to go over something with you that I've noticed. I recently had a customer go in, do not really overnight test drive, but an extended test drive just for about 2 hours in a pre-owned Yukon that we have. And it's been through the shop, it's been through PDR, it hasn't hit detail yet. I'm still waiting on it to hit detail. Hopefully it's done by now, but I will say that they were driving about 70, 75 miles an hour. They loved the vehicle. They thought there was a problem with it because it would rattle around the second, third row in that area. Well, guess what I found? This little car. It's got these metal little wheels on the bottom, and it was sliding up and down the frame of the Yukon. So as a learning point, when you are buying a vehicle or you have your own vehicle and you know you have kids and they play with toys in the car, so it saves you time from going to the dealership and stuff like that. And I've heard a lot of stories where service isn't so nice when you talk about this. You know, when you go in, rattling noise, they look up and down, they charge you all kinds of crazy money for it, and they find out it was a little toy to diagnose the vehicle and everything like that, to save you time and money before you even hit the dealership. Hopefully you're watching this video. Check your vehicle, make sure it's cleaned up, and well, not really cleaned up, but make sure you have toys out of areas that it might be. This was in the third row near the framing that was just sliding up and down. So always just check first, trying to help you out a little bit. But now our service department like that, but I've talked to a lot of customers on the phone. I've done tens of thousands of phone calls, and that's a story I've heard at least a few times, maybe a dozen or so. And I'm like, well, that's awful. You know, they treat you like that. But always make sure that you look at your vehicle. If you ever hear a rattling sound, look at yourself. You don't even have to be a car person. You don't have to be a mechanic. Just look at it, see visually if there's anything going on. Other than that, y'all have a great day, and keep following along. I'm starting to share a little bit more car knowledge and stuff like that. I've been doing this for about 3.5 years, and we're still learning, and I do a lot of training. So other than that, y'all have a wonderful day. I'll see y'all on the next one.